Hello.
Huh? What? I should learn from Remo. You see, I know you believe I have a lot of time at hand, but I actually have a certain amount of responsibilities in my life. So taking time out and dancing with Remo is one of my top 3,000 things to do. And I will definitely be pursuing it very soon.
माधुरी मैम
जी. बिल्कुल. Me, step-brotherly. I have no AV either. I am so upset with the team. Remo and Madhuri have this whole new look. I mean, look at them. They're looking sizzling, smashing, and sexy. And they put me in the same last season clothes they've given me.
Karan, but you're perfect. Karan, you're perfect the way you are.
Sara budget in balls pe chala gaya hai. All these bloody balls are shimmering and I am looking the bloody same. I was the collateral damage of Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Now that, of course, Reliance has come in our lives, I hope from Reliance Mart I will get new clothes.
माधुरी मैम, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है, आपके डांसिंग स्टाइल के अलावा और क्या-क्या जजेस की तरफ से चेंजेस दिखेंगे इस बार?
जैसे कि करण ने पहले ही कहा है कि इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर सब कंटेस्टेंट्स टू गेट वेरी हाई मार्क्स. जैसे 8, 9, 10 इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. अगर बहुत अच्छा डांस किया है तो ही वो मार्क्स मिलेंगे. दिस इज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स. और फिर कंटेस्टेंट्स के लिए सब कुछ डिफिकल्ट करने के लिए हमने बहुत कुछ आगे भी प्लान किया है, ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स. जैसे सडनली कैन आई So we will take one choreographer who is with that artist for maybe, 10, 15 episodes and then change him around. तो वो choreographer हम किसी और को दे देंगे, किसी और का उनको, तो comfort zone से बाहर हो जाएंगे. So in that way we are going to keep challenging them.
Hello. Good evening, gentlemen, ladies. Yeah. You have a little bent on the Western this time, maybe, and it's all for the better. But do you think that the formats will be laid down to the dancers or they'll be able to select from the Western dancers themselves? Because, there could be right from ballroom to everything.
No, they will be given to them. The dance forms will be given to them कि इस episode में आपको ये dance form करना है.
Yes. Because otherwise there will be a repetition. I don't know, but there could be a repetition of the easy form and not the difficult ones.
So they will be seeing different dance forms every episode.
That would also include ballroom.
Yes.
Thank you. I would have loved to see that. Thank you.
Hello. This is a question for Raj ji. राज जी, जैसा आप लोगों ने कहा है कि दिस टाइम में शो जो है ग्लोबली और परफॉर्मेंस रहेंगी ग्लोबलाइजेशन के तौर पे, तो आप ऐसा देखा जाता है कि ग्लोबलाइजेशन जो है वो डाइवर्सिटी के अगेंस्ट जाता है, वो डाइवर्सिटी नहीं चाहता. तो ये किस मायने में कह सकते हैं कि शो इंडियन है, इंडियन वर्जन है?
ये पार्लियामेंट का क्वेश्चन यहाँ कैसे आ गया?
Sir, because you are talking about globalization.
Serious question, sir. You are asking like that. Look at us. You just saw dance performance, silver balls, and asking about diversification. You have reached the wrong place. Raj is flummoxed.
ग्लोबलाइजेशन जो है उसको कहा जाता है कि वो डाइवर्सिटी के अगेंस्ट जाता है.
डाइवर्सिटी के अगेंस्ट जाता है.
क्यों डाइवर्सिटी?
सब हम लोग
क्यों डाइवर्सिटी के अगेंस्ट क्यों जाता है?
लुक एट ऑल ऑफ अस मैन. पूरे मतलब होल वर्ल्ड में दिखाया जाएगा तो इट शुड बी सिमिलर
टू द वर्ल्ड.
Yeah, good evening all of you. Right here. Vijay Shankar. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, Vijay Shankar. I'm a classical dancer and a critic as well.
Yes.
Mr. Raj, one question, it's a normal observation I have been seeing. Why is classical dancing always taking a back seat in most of the programs?
That's not true.
Not true at all.
That's not true at all. If you've seen the last 2 seasons of Jhalak Dikhla Ja, there's been enough of classical dance.
And the winner of India's Got Talent was an entire team that did traditional Kathak authentic dance. I mean, they were winners of last year's season. That's not true at all. Wrong observation. Do the dancing conditions apply to me as in? Means?
Conditions apply means if will there be an exception when you will dance?
I am always the exception when I dance.
हाय रेमो, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है। हर सीजन में हमने देखा है कि भारती आपके पीछे रहती हैं, कोई ना कोई लड़की। इस सीजन में भी क्या कोई लड़की आपके पीछे पड़ती हुई दिखाई देगी?
पलक पलक पलक
लोगों ने बोल दिया है
उनका
आगे क्या
नाम
होने
झलक
वाला
से राइम करता है।
ये इन लोगों से ये पलक नाम सुन के मुझे डर लगने लगा अभी।
Why not Andy?
Why not?
Andy. पलक कौन सी लड़की है?